Hi, welcome to Educationleaves. In this video, the topics I am covering are, what is cost accounting? And, why cost accounting is necessary for a business enterprise. Let's start the video. What is cost accounting or costing? Cost accounting or costing is a form of managerial accounting that aims to capture a company's total cost of production by assessing the variable costs of each step of production as well as fixed costs. Costing involves classifying, recording, and appropriate allocation of expenditure for the determination of the cost of product or services. It is the relation of cost to sale values and the determination of profitability. Costing or cost accounting deals with the internal affairs of a business. It attempts to show the results of the operation carried out and emphasizes throughout the measurement and achievement of efficiency. Cost accounting is different from financial accounting. While cost accounting is often used by management within a company to aid in decision-making. On the other hand, financial accounting presents a company's financial position and performance to external sources, through financial statements, which include information about its revenues, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Why cost accounting is necessary for a business enterprise? Cost accounting or costing is important for every business enterprise because it provides information for 1. Determining, classifying, and analyzing the cost and income of a business. 2. Determining the prices to be quoted to customers. 3. Forming basis for managerial decisions that have to do with, make, or buy from outside, introduce a new product, or drop an existing one, to sell the product in more territories, or to drop some present ones. 4. Provides information for profitability of products. 5. Planning, coordinating and control through budgets. 6. Establishing standards for measuring efficiency. In next video, I will discuss about cost control. Check that video in the I button. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.